Welcome to AP Daily Video, topic 7.3, Artificial Selection. My name is Tanea Hibbler. I teach at Brophy College Preparatory in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm here to let you know that you can do this. So what will we learn today? How can humans affect genetic diversity within a population? What is convergent evolution, and how does convergent evolution occur? So through artificial selection, humans affect variation in other species. Artificial selection is a process by which humans select desirable traits in other species and selectively breed individuals with the desired traits. Commonly used in agriculture and economic practices. For example, growing certain crops with specific characteristics or breeding certain animals for sport or sale. This may result in phenotypes that would not otherwise exist in nature. And it can lead to more genetic diversity or less genetic diversity. Let's look at an example. Through artificial selection, humans are affecting variation in other species. So we have a population here, and there's variation within the population prior to artificial selection. Humans can select any trait or combination of traits as desirable and choose to breed individuals within the population to get that desired outcome. Depending on which traits are selected for and how often they are selected, the genetic diversity of the population can change over time. So take a look at the traits that you see in the population to the right, and now selection is going to happen, but it's going to happen with the humans choosing, and it looks like they've chosen particular colors and particular sizes. So this is what the population now looks like after artificial selection. Similar selective pressures result in similar phenotypic adaptations. Convergent evolution is a process by which similar environmental conditions select for similar traits in different populations or different species over time. Similar traits can be observed in distantly related or completely unrelated species. Such traits are referred to as analogous structures. For example, the selective pressure of similar aquatic environments, like what we see to the right, can select for streamlined bodies and vertebrates like fish and mammals. Let's go ahead and practice. The lesson skill focus representing and describing data. Describe data from a table or graph, including describing relationships between variables. So go ahead and pause your video here. Make sure you read the title for table 1 and read the information in the table, and then look at the question and select the best choice. Did you select D? Based on the information provided in the table, which statement best describes the process resulting in the two species having similar adaptations? So similar selective pressures in Australia and North America led to wombat and woodchucks having similar adaptations over time. What should we take away from the lesson today? Humans affect diversity within a population by breeding plants and animals and selecting for desirable traits. Convergent evolution is a process by which similar environmental conditions select for similar traits in different populations or different species over time. And lastly, environmental changes can lead to similar evolutionary changes across different populations or species due to similar selective pressures. Thank you so much for joining me today for this AP Daily video. My name is Tanea Hibbler, and remember, you can do this.